Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Once again welcome back to the class of Ravisirjee, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 12th mathematics, chapter 4 determinants, we are going to learn about to find the area of triangle and collinearity of points, and we will do the solution of exercise 4.3. Students, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon of your channel. Okay students, determinant to find the area of triangle. We know that a determinant is, let us know how to use determinant to find the area of triangle. Suppose we are given 3 points in the Cartesian plane as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. The area of triangle obtained by joining these points is given by alpha 1 by 2 modulus of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 in the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay students, so using this formula we can find out area of triangle. So area of triangle with vertices px1 q x2 y2 r x3 y3 is given by del 1 by 2 in the determinant. In the first column x1 y1 x1 x2 x3, in second column y1 y2 y3, and in third column identity elements 1 1 1. So students, after simplifying these things we will get what? 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x3 y2 plus x3 y1 minus x1 y3 modulus, because area of any figure is always positive, that's why here it is determinant. Okay students, so the conditions for collinearity of 3 points if x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 is that the area enclosed by them should be equal to 0, because it can't form a closed figure. That's why the area of triangle will be 0, right? So in short we can write what? A 1 by 2 x1 minus x2 y1 minus y2 x2 minus x3 and y2 minus y3. If you are getting this is 0, so it means the 3 points are collinear. So extended form will be what? 1 by 2 x2 minus x3 x2 minus x3 y2 minus y3 minus x2 minus x3 and y1 minus y2. Thus 3 points are collinear. We can write 1 by 2 x1 minus x2 y2 minus y3 minus x2 minus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay students, so applying these formulas, applying this formula, you can prove that the given 3 points are collinear. Okay, now this is the equations of the line passing through 2 points. If 2 points from 2 points a line is passing, right? From 2 point line is passing, so directly we can find out the equation of line applying the formula x minus x2 divided by x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y2 divided by y1 minus y2. Or you can use the determinant. By using the determinant you can find out the equation of line passing through 2 points. So the standard format of determinant will be in the form of x y 1. Xy is the coordinate point of a point from the point x1 y1 and x2 y2. So in the simple way you can write, students, x y unknown variable and 1 in first row. In second row you will have to write x1 y1 and 1. In third row you will have to write x2 y2 1. Right students, you can interchange the elements of third row and with first row, right? So sometimes you can see that the formula may be in the form of x2 y2 1, x1 y1 1 and xy 1. Okay students, let's solve few questions. Find area of triangle having vertices, area of triangle having vertices. The vertices are considering the vertices over here 1 0 6 0 and 4 3, means the x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3, the order pair of x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 is given. So applying the formula of area of triangle, so 1 by 2 in the determinant x1 y1 x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1, so 1 by 2, so x1 x2 x3 1 6 4 and 0 0 3 1 1 1. Right students, what we have to do over here, we just have to expand the determinant with 1. So removing these elements of first row and first column, so we are getting what, 0 into 1 minus 3 into 1, and with 0 expanding with 0, so all will be what, 0. So accepting the element of that row and column, so we are getting 6 minus 4, and expanding with 1 we are getting 6 into 3 4 into 0, so 18 minus 0, right? So 1 by 2, by simplifying these things, so we are getting 1 into minus 3, here will be 0, right? And here will be what, 118, right? So what we are getting, 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 18, right? 3 plus 18, so 15 by 2, what we are getting, 15 by 2. So 15 divided by 2, the area of this triangle will be 7.5. Okay students, in this way you can find out the area of triangle if 3 vertices are given, right? Okay, now moving to the next question. The question is, find the value of k if area of triangle is 4 square unit and the vertices of triangle, having vertices of the triangle are k 0 4 0 6 2. Okay, so the area of triangle, we know the formula, 1 by 2 x1 x2 x3 in the first column, second column y1 y2 y3, in the third column 1 1 1, right? Now just we have to substitute the values. The area of triangle is 4, 1 by 2 x1 x2 x3 k 4 0 and y1 y2 y3 0 0 2 1 1 1. Okay students, now expanding multiplying 4 into 2, so we are getting it, expanding with k, so there will be modulus because area of triangle is always positive, so we are getting 0 into 1 and 2 in minus 2 into 1, so 0 minus 2. So expanding with 0 we will get what, 4 into 1 0 into 1, so 4 minus 0, plus expanding with 1 we are getting 4 into 2 8 minus 0. Okay students, so here we are getting 8. Now simplifying, modulus k into minus 2, there will be 0 because number multiplied by 0, so here will be 8. Okay, so what we are getting, 8 minus 2k, modulus of minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 8. So removing the modulus we will get 2k plus 8 plus minus 8. Okay, so minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 8 and plus minus 2k plus 8 is equal to minus 8. Okay students, so minus 2k is equal to 8 minus 8, so 0, so k is equal to what, 0, and here is minus 2k is equal to minus 8 minus 8 minus 16, so k is equal to minus 16 by minus 2, so the value of k is what, 8. Okay students, in this way you can find unknown value k if the area of triangle and vertices are given. Now the next question, the question is, find equation of line joining 1 2 and 2 6 using determinant, right students? So using determinant we have to find out line joining 2 points. So let us consider P is a point, X and Y be any points on the line, okay, points on the line AB, okay. So we know the formula for area of triangle ABC is equal to 0 because the three lines are collinear, right? So 1 by 2 in first column we can write what, x1 y1 x2 and here is y2 1 1 and x and y1 is this will be 0. Now just we have to substitute the value of x1 x2 and y1 y2, right? So in a very simple way this determinant will be 0. Now substitute the values of the given point x1 y1. So x1 y1 is what students, 1, here will be 1, the x2 is 3, x is unknown, y1 is 2, y2 is 3, y is unknown, is equal to 0. Now expanding with 1 we are getting 1 into 6 y minus 1, so minus 1. Expanding with minus 2, so 1 into 3 and x into 1, so 3 minus x. Expanding with 1, so we are getting 3 into y minus 6 into x, right students, is equal to 0, okay. So now expand off the bracket, 6 minus y minus, there will be minus 2 into 3 6 minus 2 into x plus 2, 1 into 3 3y minus 6x is equal to 0, okay. Now 6x 2x minus 4x and here is minus y plus 3y, so there will be plus 2y and here is plus 6 and minus 6 will be cancelled out, right? This is equal to 0. So the minus 2 is common term, so 2x minus y is equal to 0. It means 2x minus y will be 0, right students? 2x minus y will be 0. So 2x is equal to what? 2x is equal to y. Okay students, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood about how to find out the area of triangle, how to prove the collinearity of point. Okay students, for more video lessons keep watching your channel Ravisirjee Maths. Thank you.